Hello and welcome back to the Cars.co.za YouTube channel. I am Chiro de Siena. I'm sitting in a Suzuki S-Presso. Across from me on the other side of this quarter-mile strip here at the Killarney Race Circuit in Cape Town is my esteemed race ace colleague Ashley Oldfield in a Renault Kwid. And today is the battle of the 1 litre, 3-cylinder, 50 kilowatt, compact, very compact hatchbacks. Let's go with that. Right, roll the theme song. Dream, search, drive. Cars.co.za.
Who am I?
Whoever you are, with budget you could save $420 per month.
First of all, big thank you to everybody at Kia N1 City for helping us with these cars. We are very grateful. We've been trying to pull this off for a long time, and you guys, well, we couldn't have done it without you. So check out Kia N1 City for all your Kia and also used cars from any brand, actually. They've got them on their Kia Confidence floor.
Okay, right. As it turns out, weight is seemingly everything in a drag race when you have very little power. And with no power comes no responsibility, so that's why we brought them to a drag strip.
Right, let me take you through the stats here. Both cars have a 1 litre, 3-cylinder naturally aspirated petrol motor. I've got 49 kilowatts and 89 newton meters in here. Ash has 50 kilowatts and 90 newton meters in the Renault Kwid. The S-Presso, though, is a little bit heavier, so slightly down on power, and about 40 kgs heavier. And we probably should have put me in the Kwid because that would have balanced it out, probably, because Ash is basically made out of, he's just about 8 coat hangers, wire coat hangers, cable tied together. That's his physique. Right, Ashton, how are you feeling there in your Kwid?
Yes, I am excited about this drag race and excited about ending this drag race.
Ash, I think your entire career, from racing Pee-wee 50s as a child through your career at Nissan internationally, trophies, podiums, then winning the Toyota GR Cup, everything has led to this moment.
I hope my family is watching and knows I'm making them proud here.
Okay, let's go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, aggressive start from the S-Presso.
Oh, we're chattering.
Shift before the red line.
There is the S-Presso.
Look at that Kwid go, he's pulling away. I've got a good third gear here though.
Oh no, he's coming back, I don't believe it.
I'm coming back a little bit, it's absolutely neck and neck.
Nope, we've evened out. I might have to go for fourth here.
No, I think he's got it.
Oh, got him.
Toy as a toy.
As expected, the Kwid is South Africa's most affordable drag racing new car.
Oh, that was epic. Knew it was going to be close. Just that extra bit of weight. Damn, that was close, man. This is the kind of drag race I live for.
That was actually really good. I thought you were coming back at me at one point. I was looking for buttons to press to go faster.
You just start throwing stuff out the window, like your shoes and, I don't know, bottle of water.
Several pieces of camera equipment nearly left the Kwid.
Should we give it one more go, Ash?
Yeah, we can do one more.
See if I can maybe, I think if I launch the S-Presso slightly less aggressively, so I don't stand still for the first 3 seconds of the race, I might have a chance.
Righto, let's get it done.
Right, that first race was super tight. Wasn't even a car length in it. I think if I launch the S-Presso a bit less aggressively, I think I have a chance here. Aircon off.
4, 3,
Don't put your foot flat.
1, go!
We're off. I've got a good start.
Oh, that's a good launch.
Whoa, the espresso's right here.
Don't hit the red limiter. Kwid's pulling a little bit away. It's got a good second gear,
Got to make sure the shift is good. Third, we're good.
but I start to come a little bit back at him in third. Come on!
Oh, the espresso's coming back. It's coming back. Gonna need to make a snap shift to fourth.
It's neck and neck. No, that Kwid has got about a meter on me. No!
Oh, that was close. Yo, if that drag race had been like 20 meters longer, I think it would have had me.
Oh man, that's tight. What a race. Man, this is so much more fun than racing sports cars. If you're new to the Cars.co.za channel, welcome. Thanks for being here. Now, we have over 660 videos on our channel. We've been doing this for nearly 9 years now. So if you're looking for a car review for a car you might be interested in, you'll probably find it in our back catalog. And thanks very much for supporting our channel. We are now the largest motoring channel in South Africa, and the aim is to just keep doing what we do and help South Africa make better purchasing decisions. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers. Cars.co.za.
Get insurance that pays out faster than the word Archie. Budget, the official insurer of good South Africans.